Have a wonderful day to all players in Hong Kong together with your family second and the compassion of our Heavenly Father. It's my great pleasure to introduce myself. I'm Australia Glorio, 26 years of age, single, but have 3 kids, 2 sons and 1 daughter. For the reason that me and my partner not get legally married because of financial problem. I presently reside in Trislimayo, Ligo City of the Philippines. I entered in college at Spamas, Mapiligo City of the Philippines and taken Bachelor of Secondary Education and I only taken first year level. About my character, I can assure you that I will be honest, understanding, patient, caring God, and most of it loving of children. I have work experience for 2 years as a housemaid and everything's fine. Just like my responsibilities, I love cooking, washing clothes, cleaning around the house, marketing, car wash, and of course, caring for young children. Aside from that, I've been cashier at the same time secretary at Avon Company and as a waitress of Japanese restaurant here in Philippines.
What experience do you have in taking care of children?
I have experience in taking care of children for 2 years from my own 3 kids, and I know how to care. I can guide them very well. I can teach them and supervise their homework. I can teach them good manners and good conduct, and I make sure that they will always stay healthy under my care. And I promise to be honest and gentle with them and teach how to play and sing with them.
If the child is not feeling well, what will you do?
Madam, if the child is not feeling well, I will check first if he has a fever, then I will give proper medicine, and I will call my employer and ask and wait for the instruction.
If your employer has visitor, what will you do?
Madam, if my employer has visitor, I will greet them and serve some snacks with permission to my employer.
Are you willing to take care of pets like cats and dogs?
Yes, Madam. I am much willing to take care of kids like cats and dogs.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Madam, I want to work in Hong Kong for the reason that we are now experiencing the crisis here in the Philippines and I need to work to help my poor family, especially my 3 younger children, and I know that salary helps me a lot to sustain for their basic needs.
If you are lucky to be selected, what can you promise to your future employer?
Madam, if I will be given a chance to work in Hong Kong, I promise to be honest and loyal and to speak to you and to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.